Good morning, students. I am going to continue mensuration lesson 11. In this lesson, we study perimeter, areas, and volume of two-dimensional and three-dimensional object, means plane figure and solid figure. In previous video, I have explained perimeter and areas of plane figures. In this video, I want to explain curved surface area, means lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume of cuboid, cube, and right circular cylinder. In this sequence, first of all, I want to explain what is volume. Volume means surface, not surface. In the sense of volume, space occupied by an object is called volume of the object. Like volume of a classroom is space occupied by this classroom is called volume of this classroom. That is equal to L into B into H. Okay. When you want to find out volume of any object, first of all, you determine what space or what region occupied by that object. That is known as volume of that object. Like duster. What is the volume of this duster? Volume of this duster is equal to space occupied by this object. This duster is equal to the volume of the duster, and that is equal to length into breadth into height. This duster occupies this total space. Therefore, the volume of this duster is L into B into H. I want to write some formulas related to cuboid, cube and cylinder. Then you write down formulas. First, total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into, in the bracket, LB plus BH plus HL. LB, 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL means total surface area means the area of all the faces which make the cuboid. This is a cuboidal shape. In this cuboidal shape, we have 6 faces. Then when you add area of 6 faces, you get total surface area of a cuboid. Area of this face is L into B. Top and bottom is same, therefore 2LB. Area of side, breadth into height. This is also 2 faces, therefore 2BH. And area of this side is HL, means L into H. This is also similar to two faces, therefore 2H. When you add all these areas of this object or cuboidal shape, you get total surface area of cuboid. Then second, lateral or curved surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 in the bracket L plus B into H. This is also equal to area of the four walls of a room or hall. Lateral surface area means side area. This is curved surface area or lateral surface area of this cuboidal object. This is LH, this is also LH, this is BH, means 2 in the bracket L plus B into H. That is equal to lateral surface area or curved surface area of a cuboid. Then third, volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. When you multiply length into breadth into height, you get volume of a cuboid. In this sequence, I want to write formula related to cube, that is 4 total surface area, total surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. Cube means a solid figure whose face is in a square plate. Means a solid figure whose length, breadth and height all of them are equal to each other, then that's make a cube. Area or side of a square is area of a square is a square, and we have 6 faces, therefore total surface area of a cube is equal to 6a square. Fifth, lateral surface area, lateral or curved surface area of a cube is equal to 4a square. Means in lateral faces there are 4 faces, then their area is 4 into a square, 4a square. Area of each face of a square shaped cube is a square. Therefore, in lateral side, curved side, there are 4 faces. That's area is 4a square. Then volume of a cube, volume of a cube is equal to a cube. Means side into side into side. Because all the sides are equal, therefore this is equal to a cube. In this sequence, I want to write formula related to cylinder. that is 7 curved or lateral surface area of a cylinder, that is equal to 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. If this is a cylindrical shape, then lateral surface area is this curved surface area, and that is equal to 2 pi r, means this is a circular base, therefore this area, this circumference is 2 pi r, and when you multiply height means length, you get curved surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r h. Then total surface area of a cylinder, that is equal to curved surface area plus 2 base area, means base area plus top area, that is circular shape, therefore pi r square is the area of a circle. Then you add here, you get 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. You get 2 pi r in the bracket r plus h. This is the formula of total surface area of a cylinder. Then ninth formula is volume of a cylinder, that is equal to pi r square h. Area into height, pi r square into h. You get volume of a cylinder. In this sequence, there are also some conversion units, like 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 mm. 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter, that is equal to 1000 liters. In the sense of capacity of any vessel or container, that is equal to internal volume of the vessel or container. Capacity is equal to internal volume of the vessel or container. If you want to find out capacity of any object, any vessel or container, then you find out the internal volume. If you get internal volume, that is equal to the capacity of the volume, and that is converted into liter, milliliter by these conversion units.